is the Southern Railroad Vertical Lift Bridge. This bridge was removed, and this bridge crosses the Timothy River, located in Epes, Alabama, and it's removed. Now this is the bridge right there. It did open for raise for boat traffic and lower for train traffic, and it's no longer there. And I don't know what date it was built. It was probably like built like in the mid 1900s or whatnot, and now it's replaced. I mean, actually, it's no longer there. Yeah, so it's located in Epes, Alabama. Uh, you see, look at that's the Tower Drive vertical lift bridge with no machinery on the span, but you got the machinery of two acre towers. So yeah, so it's located in Epes, Alabama.